Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think that we're either in a flat, as in this is one, two, three waves up for the A, this is one, two, three waves down for the B, and now we're in one, two, three waves up for a wave C. If it really is a running flat, I think it's potentially going to go all the way up to this area, take out these highs, and likely take out these highs. Now, it could possibly be what I've been saying is a WXYXZ pattern, but even if it is a WXYXZ pattern, the outcome is exactly the same, which is likely it would go up and take out all these previous highs before we actually get that next big rally to the downside. Now, this is the daily time frame, so you have to think that probably is going to equal several weeks of upside potential for the dollar. And I would take that information and I would apply it to the dollar pairs. I personally would only be looking for longs on the US dollar index right now, and I would take that information, I would apply it to the dollar pairs themselves, as in I would be looking for shorts on the euro, the pound, the Aussie, the Kiwi. I would probably be looking for longs on the CAD still and longs on the dollar Swiss still. The dollar again is more of a yen mover right now, and gold doesn't really care about the dollar index, but it definitely applies to all the other dollar pairs themselves. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.